Good morning, dear children. Today I am going to start new lesson, and the name of the lesson is Smart Chart. Children, in this lesson we will learn about different types of charts like tally charts, bar charts and pie charts. Children, this pie chart is also known as chapati chart. So, to make the chart, we collect information from different resources and represent that information in chart form. Children, the information that we collected from different resources are known as data. Now children, let us see how can we represent the information or data in table form. Okay, so for that I have taken one example. For the class party, Rashi's group has to bring food for the whole class. She collects data of the favorite food of her classmates as given below. Arrange it in table form. Children, here you can see she has asked from each of her friend about the liking of the fruit and wrote on the paper. So you can see she has written all the fruits liked by the children. Okay. Few children likes apple, few children like banana, some children likes cherries, grapes, orange, guava. Okay. So to make it more clear, what I have done, I have colored with different color. You can see apple I have colored with red color, banana, all the bananas are colored with yellow color, grapes are colored with purple color, right? Guavas are colored with green color, cherries are colored with orange color, and oranges are not colored. Okay, so total how many fruits are liked by the children, that you have written in column. Okay, here you have written fruit and write all the name of the fruits. Okay, and on the right side you will write number of children. How many children like apple? So for that, what you will do, you will count number of apples from this group. Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Similarly, we will count for the banana, cherries, guava, oranges and grapes. So children, from this chart, you can tell total number of the children present in the class. For that, you will add all the numbers. It means this much of children are present in the Rashi's class. Okay. Now, by this chart, you can tell how many children like banana in the class, or guava in the class, or orange in the class, or apple in the class. Okay, this information you get, and you can answer the questions by seeing this chart. Now, I have taken few questions. First one is, which fruit is liked by same number of children? By seeing the chart, you can see 5 children likes apple and 5 children likes orange. It means 5 children like both apple and orange will be the answer of this question. Now, how many more children like grapes than banana? Here you can see grapes are liked by 8 children and banana is liked by 6 children. So, you will find the difference and get how many more children like grapes better than banana. Okay. And to get the total number, you will add all the numbers 5 and 6, 11, 11 and 7, 18, 18 and 4, 22, 22 and 5, 27, 27 and 8, 35. So 35 children are present in Rashi's class. So children, first of all, you have seen by the information we make the chart, and after that we get all the answers that has been asked. Okay, hope you all have understood this tabular form. How can you interpret data in table form? Now children, let us understand what is tally marks. Children, to represent the information in tally marks, we make a square box that represent 4 in number, and after that we draw diagonal line inside the square, as you can see in this picture, that represent number 5. Children, each tally marks represent number 5 in group. After that we start making new tally marks. Now let us understand this by example. Children, here I have taken same example, and you have to represent this number of children showing tally marks. Okay, so 5, for the 5 you will draw a box first. This represents 4, and after that you make a diagonal line. So this represents number 5, and to make 6 you will make group of 5 and one standing line. Okay, for group of 7 you will make 5, one standing line and one horizontal line. Okay, so 5 plus 6, 7. Now 4, if you have to draw 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You will make a square box. To make 5, again you will make a box and a diagonal line. Okay, to make number tally marks for number 8, what you will do, you will make a square, then diagonal line. This is a group of 5, 1, 2 and this one is 3. Okay, so this way you can represent the tally marks. Children, tally marks are a quick way of keeping track of number in group of 5. Hope you all have understood how can we represent different data in table form and draw tally marks. Children, do practice of the questions and solve the questions that I have given today. Thank you and have a good day.